everyone. Welcome to the new year. Thank you for continuing to join me and all the new people that's signed up. So I'm going to do a quick cleanup here. Don't see anything broken on this car. It's a 1959 Buick Invicta. So I had to get the macro lens here and look at the emblem there just to confirm which model it was. As you can see, my stepdad did a little bit of customizing on it. You got the spotlights on the side. You got the fender mounted side view mirrors. This one here looks like it's about to come off, so we'll be careful around that. He's got the lake pipes on the side here, and of course that's molded in, so you couldn't do anything about that. Just a single aerial in the back. There's a decal on the front here. It's starting to come off on the side there, so I know I've got other decals that are just like that, so I'm gonna maybe see if I can clean it up, and I wonder if I can lay the other one on top of what's left to kind of bring it back to life or something like that. So I know I skipped this on a lot of them, but as always I use just a standard makeup brush that you can get at the store, and use that to clean a lot of the dust off before I do any of the actual putting water on it and stuff. So this does a good job. Doesn't break anything else that's might be fragile on it. So a couple bucks at the store, so if you want something nice and gentle that's going to clean your models up, this is a good choice on that. There's a lot of trash here on the hood. That's not coming off with dirt, so he must have gotten wet or something. And I see some stuff on the inside of the windshield here. So I haven't gotten to where I've got any canned air to do that. I just figured if I did that, it would create more dust just floating around in the air than me doing this. So all right, so I'm gonna take the car apart here, try to get to the stuff a little easier, and see if I can do that. I don't know, I might not be able to take it apart. Let's see, I'm looking at here. Yeah, because the lake pipes are glued to the bottom of that and there, so I think I'm stuck with this thing together here. So let me get to try to clean it on this, and I'll come right back to you. All right, everybody, I got it all cleaned up. I didn't point out before, but this one, the body of this one, he didn't paint. So it was just the color of the molded plastic, and you can see what it originally was underneath where the decal was messed up there. So, and then it's got a couple places like where the chrome has faded off there on the headlight. A little bit on the back. I don't know what was going on with the back here, where it looks like a lot of glue and stuff. Something got it messed up. There's another little tag here. I've noticed this on another car. Whatever was on there, it's faded away, so can't read it anymore. Did notice on this, you can kind of see where part of the molding process, where you can see the stuff coming through, where I think with the interior, where it connects in on the inside there, and then down right here in the seats there, you got a little bit of flashing there and stuff from the mold. I did find another decal. It was actually one decal. Let's see here. And it looks like he split it in two. So I've done the same thing, and I'm gonna give it a try. Like I said, these things are really old, so this may not work. So you'll be the first to know here. So I've got a little thing of water here on the side. Let it soak for a little bit and see if it'll slide off or not. Don't know. Like I said, this right here was really dirty on it. I had to use quite a bit of Q-tips. I think there's a little bit of still right in here. Yeah. So, and whatever was on the windshield, it came off as well. So didn't have any trouble with that. There's a couple other nooks and crannies where it's just really tight getting into there. I think they do make cotton swabs that are just like a nice little point on it. I got some to clean my camera lenses and stuff with, but I don't know where to get a huge pack of those yet. I hadn't looked that up. So, but yeah, a lot of it was just going over it a couple different times to see. All right, let's see what we got here. Let this sit for a while. Don't know if this is going to slide off or not. No. Maybe we need to let it sit some more. Like I said, these things may not ever not work at all on these, you know, if this is a 1959 model, it's 2022, so, and they've been exposed to heat and cold, extreme temperatures, so but I said, but this is a pretty neat, came out with a pretty neat model here. Like I said, it put the crazy fender skirts on the side here to it, but not too much on the customization because it didn't come with an engine on it. So there you have it. All right, let's give this a try again, see if it's going to slide off. No. Let's see. Is it even wanting to come off with the backing paper? Oh, wait. Yeah, it's starting to come off. Finally. Here it is. Oops. Nope, still sticking down there. There it goes. Oh. There it is. Not quite a perfect match from the other, and it moved around quite a bit, but it looks like it's on there. So how about that? These old ones are holding up. Excuse me. So first time giving that a shot. So, but there you have it. I'm gonna let that dry, and I think that's it. And like I said, I'll upload a little bit closer pictures on the Instagram account. Thank you for all y'all that's joined that here recently. There's it's been a larger following on that. You know, I'm probably over halfway through on all these series. I'm eventually going to run out of vehicles because he didn't have that big of a collection. I think I counted 40 when I started out with, so, or a little less than 40 between the kits and the models that were already complete. There are some halfway done kits, so I'll probably get into that a little bit later on, see if I can finish building them, if all the parts are there or not. So that'll be real exciting on that. But thank you for joining. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the Instagram page. Thanks.